Every day we are exposed to toxins that find their way into the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. That is why when it comes to wellness, the first step towards it begins with detoxification. A detoxification regime that cleanses your body and mind. And experts believe it's vital for everyone to detox at least once a year.
The Ananda Detox Program combines Ayurveda, Yoga, Vedanta and international experiences combined with diet. Over a period of time, these toxins have accumulated over months and even years. These are personalized programs which the doctor will first see you, find out what your dosha is, and then each program will be specifically designed only for you.
Our approach to detox is a holistic one, reason why our guests come from all corners of the world to go through this experience.
The detox program at Ananda is actually working towards cleansing. So you will feel much more lighter, you will feel that your body is actually having better digestive power, better immunity, you get better sleep, you will eventually actually can even lose some weight also with the detox package, but it's all towards feeling cleansed and lighter. It's like cleaning up a cloth and then coloring it. So once it is clean, the coloring becomes perfect and then it's more effective, it stays with the bodies. It also gives you a permanent benefit of preventing disease as an ongoing process.
Our detox program is a tantalizing fusion of Eastern and Western techniques. Vedanta, Ayurvedic treatments like Abhyanga, Churna Svedana, yoga and pranayam sessions, hydrotherapy, aromatherapy, salt scrub, facial, earth wrap, aroma cocoon wrap and earth stone. An important element of detox is dosha-specific Ayurvedic diet to help eliminate toxins from your body, reduce stress and improve health.
Detoxification is a process where body actually itself cleans, but we are just aiding it with the help of different agents like ginger. Ginger is a very beautiful detoxification agent. We use bottle gourd, we use basil. So all these things which we incorporate help us in detoxifying our body.
What's even remarkable is that your journey of wellness is steeped in luxury, set on an expansive palace estate sheltered by the mighty Himalayas. Surrounded by verdant forests overlooking the Ganges, the tranquil ambience here is the perfect setting to rejuvenate and discover a new you.
I remember once a guest asked me, "What makes you happy, Ritu?" And I said, when I see a guest leaving the spa with a smile on the face, it is very, very satisfying. We make a small difference in our own way in their lives and they carry it with them when they go back home.
Come over, de-stress, detoxify and discover a new you.